Experience the pinnacle of comfort and convenience at Cadnam Hall, a state par excellence in Birmingham that promises to transform your life into a fairy tale. Choose from a range of ensuites, single and shared apartments, each meticulously crafted to cater to your needs and preferences. Retreat to a snug bed for a peaceful night's sleep and take advantage of ample storage options, including underbed storage, a spacious wardrobe, drawers, and shelves, ensuring your belongings stay organized. But wait, there's more. Bid farewell to daily hassles with the on-site laundry facility and unwind on the comfortable sofa, perfect for socializing or catching up on your favorite shows. Step outside and bask in the tranquility of the garden space, ideal for outdoor relaxation or study sessions. Keep fit and active in the gym, equipped with a range of facilities to meet your workout needs, and enjoy seamless connectivity with high-speed Wi-Fi. In terms of location, the University of Birmingham and Newman University are within easy reach, streamlining your daily scholarly commute. For a quick bite, indulge in the culinary delights of renowned eateries like Tastiology and Munch Shack, just steps away. And when it's time to stock up on supplies or unleash your culinary skills in your fully furnished kitchen, convenience is at your fingertips with local grocery stores, such as the Food Warehouse by Iceland and Sainsbury's nearby. On weekends, embark on adventures by hopping on a bus or catching a train from conveniently close commute stops to explore the breathtaking beauty of Birmingham. So does it sound like the ideal deal? If yes, head straight to amberstudent.com to book your perfect stay at Cadnam Hall Birmingham today.